Hello and welcome to my unboxing and first impressions of the Toguard CE41 dual camera dash cam. So we'll have a quick tour around the box. So first of all, there is a dual HD 1080p camera. We've got a G-sensor lock, a parking monitor and a 170 degrees wide angle camera. It does just go on to say it's 1080p and a 720p dual channel recording, so I'm assuming the 720p is for the interior cabin camera. The box itself isn't as premium as the 12-inch Toguard dash cam I reviewed a few weeks ago, but still it gets to the point and it packages it quite well. So inside we've just got a leaflet, just encourages you to review the product when you do receive it. Two boxes which holds the accessories in the camera, a dash cam sticker, and the instruction manual. It's quite thick. I'm assuming that it's in a few different languages, but it does have English in there, which is good. So taking a look into the first box, we have the accessories. So we've got the mount, so it is a suction cup mount. We've got the charger, so the charger is pretty long, and it does have the standard for dash cams, which is the mini USB port. And finally, it does come with a small mini USB cable, a few clips to tuck the cable in on the car. Okay, moving into the last box, I believe it has the dash cam in there. So let's have our first look. Okay, so first impressions, it does have a good weight to the camera. The lenses itself do look quite large, so it should let a lot of light in. Good resistance on the twist of the camera. It's definitely not going to be budging anywhere when you're driving over bumps or move out of place. It's a little bit confusing where they've written the 1080p, because I do think the main camera is the 1080p camera, and the camera on the right that twists and records the cabin is the 720p camera. The buttons have quite reassuring presses. The USB mini C is on the left of the camera and at the top, so it should be quite easy to connect and hide the cables away into the roof. The button details at the front. So I'm going to connect this up to my power bank just to give it a bit of power, and we'll have a quick look through the startup in the menu. So it's the standard Toguard splash screen as it starts up. It does have a picture-in-picture there as well, to show you both the internal cabin camera and the outside camera. Otherwise, the menu, if you have used a Toguard camera before, it looks pretty much exactly the same as the other models, so you shouldn't be too lost navigating around. So all your standard features to navigate your HDR on, off, the motion sensor, the loop recording, and the SD card. So the SD cards, I have found the 32 gigabytes will go straight in, and the camera is able to format it and it works straight away. If you are planning to use a 64 gigabyte SD card or 128 gigabyte SD card, you do have to put it into a PC or your Mac first and format it to the FAT32, and then put it into the camera and let the camera format it again, and that should work absolutely fine as well. and it does need to be a class 10 SD card. So overall, I do really like the camera. So at the end of the video, you are going to see a live demonstration of both the interior cabin and the external camera, both 1-minute clips. So do hold out for that. At this price point, so I paid £69.99 British pounds for this device, which is I think it's about $100 or so, or maybe a little less. There are always discount codes around as well, so have a look out for them. I'm actually really impressed with this dash cam. I'm impressed with pretty much all the Toguard dash cams. I think it's excellent value for money for what you get, and yeah, don't hesitate to buy. So please do like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.